Have you ever tried watching a video on Reddit using your phone, only to have it refuse to play? It's frustrating, but there are a few simple ways to fix it. First, check your internet connection. Most video playback issues are caused by weak Wi-Fi or mobile data. Switch networks or toggle airplane mode on and off to reset your connection. Second, clear the Reddit app cache. On Android, go to Settings apps Reddit Storage Clear Cache. On iOS, you can offload the app in settings or reinstall it. Clearing cache removes temporary files that might be causing the video to freeze. Third, ensure the Reddit app is updated. Developers regularly fix bugs that affect video playback. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and install any available updates. If that doesn't work, try switching to the mobile web version. Open Reddit in your browser and see if the video plays. This helps determine if the problem is app-specific. Also, check video settings. Reddit sometimes disables autoplay to save data. Tap the video or go to Settings Autoplay to make sure it's enabled. Finally, restart your device. A simple reboot can often fix minor software glitches interfering with video playback. In conclusion, most Reddit video issues on mobile can be solved by checking your connection, clearing cache, updating the app, adjusting settings, or restarting your device. Following these steps should get your videos playing smoothly again. Subscribe for more troubleshooting guides and mobile tips to make your apps work the way you want.